Hey friends, if you wish to install free HEVC codecs on your Windows 11 computer for H265 video, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for store in the Windows search bar. Open store. Now here's one thing I want you to know. It is not free. The free ones available online can be buggy. I will recommend against using that, though people do that. Simply search for HEVC. Go to HEVC video extensions. Before installing, confirm that it is from Microsoft Corporation. Click on this option here, pay for it, and then install it on your system. I'm not going to pay for it, but you have to pay for it by clicking on next and adding a method, and then you can buy it. So don't use the free codes available online, they can be buggy. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.